Hello, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'm going to show you how to make tomato sauce from scratch. I had a whole bunch of tomatoes in my garden and I'm going to utilize them in that way. So we're going to be using the Ninja to show you how to make the tomato sauce from scratch. So if you have an abundance of tomatoes in your garden, or you have some tomatoes left over in your refrigerator, you'll know what to do with them, okay? Alright, so let's do it. 1 second. Okay, so here are my tomatoes. I had about maybe 40 tomatoes from medium size to small, and I cut them up, okay? Alright, so we're going to be using the Ninja. This is my Ninja, and we're going to have the Ninja to break them down, okay? Okay, and I'm just going to pour the excess juice that was left over from the tomatoes right into the Ninja. Okay. And I have about 2 ounces of water right to here in this cup here, and I'm just going to pour that in just to help it move along, okay? Okay, so we have the 2 ounces of water and the tomatoes, and so now we are going to have the Ninja break that down for us, okay? Okay, so let me put the top on. And for you guys who don't know, the Ninja has a lot of different things that it can do for you. You can use it to puree food, to extract food. You can use it to make smoothies, colladas. It also mixes dough. Like you can make like pie crust with it. It's a mixer. It just does so many things. You would definitely get your money's worth if you were to purchase a Ninja. Okay, and let me forewarn you that it is loud, okay? So I'm going to hit the mix button, and we're going to let that break down the tomatoes. Here we go. Okay, I want to stop. You see, that was only a few seconds. I want to stop and give that a stir. Yep, it's not all broken down. So we're going to put that back on. Hit the mix button again. Okay. At this point, I want to stop. It's all broken down. I want to stop, and I'm going to take half out, and 1/2 I'm going to make tomato soup. And you can follow me on my next video how to make the tomato soup from these tomatoes, and then the balance of that we're gonna make tomato sauce right in the Ninja, okay? Alright, so let me pour out 1/2 for the soup. I'm gonna hold the middle piece in so it doesn't fall out. Okay, that's about all I need for the tomato soup. I poured half out, as you can see. And I just want to wipe this before I continue. Okay, so now we're going to put this back on. Oops, I want to add my items that I want to add to make the tomato sauce. So I'm adding black pepper. I'm going to put that right in. Kosher salt. Some basil. Remember, seasonings is your choice, how much or little you want to add. Okay, now I need a thickening agent because once you break the tomatoes down, usually you need something to thicken it up, and that's what I'm going to add with tomato paste. Okay, so let me get that and we'll be right back. Okay, so I have a can of tomato paste. Okay, tomato paste is a thickening agent for tomatoes. Okay, so I'm going to put about, I'd say, half of the can in, and we'll see how that works. We'll see how thick it gets. We may have to use the whole can, we'll see. Okay, so it's in, and now we're gonna get this mixed. Let's see. It's much thicker, but not to the consistency that we want. So I'm gonna add another 1/4 of this can. So far we've added 3/4. And I'm thinking, well, we're just going to add the whole can because I'm thinking that that's a lot of liquid. And probably it's going to take the can. This is a 6-ounce can of tomato paste. And I'm thinking that should do it. Okay. In addition to that, I'm going to add 2 packs of Nature Taste Blue sugar substitute. So it's just a sugar substitute. You can add regular sugar, no sugar, honey. It's all up to you. Okay. Now let's mix that up. And give it a good mix this time. Okay, now let me get a spoon and we're going to check out and see how it tastes and how thick it is. Okay, it's pretty thick. As you can see, it's not leaving the spoon quick. See? And there's some still on the spoon when we dip in. So let me taste. Wow. It tastes really good. I think I'm missing some salt. A lot of salt. And I'm going to put some more black pepper in. And oregano. Okay, so oregano is the only different spice that we're adding that I didn't show you previously. Okay, so now I think we should be good. We'll give that one last mix. Okay, and now let's taste. Very good. That's the taste we're looking for. So, okay guys, now you know how. Let me take this off. Now you know how to make your own homemade tomato sauce in the Ninja. How about that, huh? So, you see, you do not have to buy store-bought tomato sauce. You can make your own. Okay? Alright, so let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is we have to consider not throwing food out if we're not going to use it. If you see you're going to have some tomatoes that you know you're not going to use, come on, make some tomato sauce. Even if you don't have enough to make a lot, make what you can, and then you can put it in a bag and put it in the freezer. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it in the freezer, so when I need some tomato sauce, it will be there. And that tomato paste will help when the freezer breaks down the tomatoes and make it kind of watery. That tomato paste will help keep that stiffness, okay, or the heaviness to it. Okay? Alright, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Homemade tomato sauce. How about that? Okay? And share the video. And if this is your first time, please subscribe. I welcome all subscribers. And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye from Grandma Ray.